Math isn't difficult. You're just trying to memorize a language instead of learning how to speak it. The students who solve problems in minutes don't have bigger brains. They built a different system. That's how most people study math. They memorize formulas, forget them tomorrow, panic during exams, repeat again and again, hours of studying, tiny results, one difficult question, and confidence collapses. You start believing, I'm just bad at math. But that's not true. The problem is your method. Your brain doesn't store equations. It stores patterns. Think of your brain like Google Maps. If every road is disconnected, you'll get lost fast. But when roads connect, finding the destination becomes automatic. Math works exactly the same way. Every formula is just another road. Every chapter connects to another. The students who learn fast don't memorize. They build a map. Once the map exists, new problems become shortcuts, not obstacles. Step 1. Understand before memorizing. Most students do this. Formula first, meaning later. Flip it. Always ask, what problem was this formula invented to solve? Every formula exists because someone had a problem. When you understand the problem, the formula becomes obvious. Step 2. Solve easy questions first. Your brain loves winning. Each correct answer releases motivation. But if you immediately attack the hardest problem, you collect frustration instead. Think of confidence like charging a battery. Easy questions, fill it. Impossible questions, drain it. Solve easy, then medium, then hard. Momentum always beats motivation. Step 3. Learn from mistakes, not solutions. Most students finish a wrong answer and immediately check the correct solution. Big mistake. Instead, become a detective. Ask, exactly where did I go wrong? Wrong sign? Wrong formula? Wrong logic? Every mistake is a hidden teacher. The students improving fastest don't avoid mistakes. That changes your confidence forever. So stop memorizing. Start understanding. And watch impossible questions become ordinary. If this changed how you see math, hit subscribe. Because every week, you'll learn brain hacks, study systems, and psychology tricks that make success feel almost illegal.